certain night, the night we met, there was magic abroad in the air. There were angels dining at the Ritz, and a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. I may be right, I may be wrong, but I'm perfectly willing to swear that when you turned and smiled at me, a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. The moon that lingered over London town, poor puzzled moon, she wore a frown. How could she know that we were so in love? The whole darn world seemed upside down. The streets of town were paved with stars. It was such a romantic affair. And when you turned and smiled at me, a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. How strange it was, how sweet and strange, there's never a dream to compare. What with that hazy, crazy night we met, when a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. This heart of mine beat loud and fast, like a merry-go-round in a fair. And when we were dancing cheek to cheek, a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. When dawn came stealing up our golden blue to interrupt our rendezvous, I still remember when you smiled and said, was that a dream or was it true? Our homeward steps were just as light as a dancing